Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Saturday morning, September 13. I'm gonna do a very quick update of my trading on the stock market last week from Friday, September 5th to yesterday. I've been in Cuba with my wife, a short vacation, so I haven't done any trading. But I haven't updated you with the situation for a week before. And what you'll see on the screen, it's actually the portfolio for a week before last week, right? Yeah. So that was probably at the beginning of September the 3rd or something like that. So 279. But if you look what happening last week, so at the end of the last week, the amount is 287 149. So the market is actually at the maximum right now, and you're gonna be able to see this on the secondary monitor. So if I'm showing to you those numbers, you see that the difference between last week portfolio and the week before, it's actually $7,500. So this is how much my stocks went up, and we are close to the maximum I ever had, and the same with S&P 500. So I'm close somewhere to 300,000 American dollars, around to 87, almost to 90, right? So all of this is good. The week before last week, I've done only a little bit of trading. On Thursday I made $600. Oh, actually on Tuesday as well for Google. So only $600. On Friday I could make another 300 if I would sell Lockheed Martin and STXX, but I decided to wait, and I put some orders while I was in Cuba, which they did not fill. Right, but let's take a look on the primary monitor and see very quickly my situation. You'll see that my TFSA account, I have a single company, UNH. I sold half of it while it went in positive, and right now this account is making me around $44,000, and I'm not losing anything. I will give all this amount to my wife, so for her to invest as well. She's doing investment into her RRSP account. She has around 126,000. She was able to make maybe 20,000 on top of 100,000. And with this amount, she's gonna have similar amount of money like I have. And she has a different strategy. She's doing playing on the long term, so I think it's all good in that respect. So RRSP, you'll see that Lockheed Martin started to go up. Stereo taxes, the maximum it was to 90. I tried to sell a 3. I was not able to do that. Bungie, probably I will buy again if it's going lower than 80. Timo, I will buy again if it's probably going 475, right? So I still have room, and I believe in those companies. Now, Edit, I'm trying to sell a 3. It went up from 250 to 270 something, but I want to sell a 3. The amount I bought, like 350 shares. The same Etsy, I want to sell a 65. I bought a 55, probably 75 shares. IBM, it started to go up from almost 10% down. So all of those numbers are good. Let's take a look now to the situation on the stock market on my Seeking Alpha account. Next week we have a very important meeting. Federal Reserve, they meet on Tuesday, and on Wednesday 2 o'clock to 30. Jerome Powell will say if you're gonna cut the interest rate. The market already priced in this, so if this is not happening, probably it's gonna be a little bit of a crash. If it's happening, it may be that the market is going to go even higher than that. Now, if you look Lockheed Martin, that's what's happening for the last months, right? I think it's a good investment. It can go up to 600. It looks like the government of United States want to buy into it, similar to what they did with Intel. Stereo taxes, it went up to 290, 91, and so on. But I'm expecting to go even higher, so I will see next week if I will sell. Thermo Fisher going up and down. It went 490. I want to sell at 500. Now my wife, she was able to go to maximum as well, 126,000 US dollars. Those are all her accounts. Now we are waiting for the Federal Reserve next week. US dollars appreciated 139. All of this is good. So you see the Canadian Yahoo Finance. Now let's go on the secondary monitor, and before actually wrapping up this video, let me show you a short video of how the sea and the beach looks like in Cuba, Playa Santa Maria, beautiful place.
Ia uitați ce frumusețe aici, toate culorile. Albastru, verde. Oh my God. It is amazing. Amazing. I love it.
Okay guys, so with those images from Cuba, I will end this video. I will continue to make the videos updating you on what's happening on the stock market, and especially with the trading I'm doing in my portfolio, but I will make a video a month because it's not too much to say from one week to another week. At the end of the month there is more to discuss, and you're gonna see that some months are actually slow, some are actually very good. November traditionally it's a very slow month and not on the positive side, right? So this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you to have a good weekend with your family and friends. Goodbye until next week. Thank you guys.